We begin tonight with the very latest on new avian flu cases in the valley. Today, we learned 5 animals at Wildlife World Zoo in the West Valley have died from the virus. Good evening and thanks so much for joining us for 12 News at 10. I'm Kariba Devine.
I'm Mark Curtis. County health officials say the risk to the public remains low, but the zoo is on high alert tonight. And as 12 News journalist Chase Golightly learned, they're making big changes to keep the animals, workers, and visitors all safe.
This is the first time any animals at Wildlife World Zoo have tested positive for avian flu. Now the county health department and CDC are getting involved.
It happened fast. 5 animals, including a mountain lion and a cheetah at Wildlife World Zoo, all dead from avian flu within a matter of days.
There wasn't much that could be done for them.
Chrissy Hayden, the zoo's president, had heard of other cases in the valley and knew this was a real possibility.
We have over 6,000 animals here, so it's something we had to take very seriously from the start.
Believing it was a wild bird that flew into the zoo and spread the virus to 6 animals here.
We immediately started working with the Maricopa County Health Department, the CDC. We implemented different protocols just as preventative measures,
including quarantining animals that were exposed. Workers now heavily sanitizing the enclosures and performing regular tests on animals to prevent the spread. They've also stopped all interactive animal encounters to keep guests safe. As for workers, Hayden says about 25 of them were in close contact with the infected animals and are now being monitored by the county health department for symptoms.
There have been no human cases associated with this exposure.
Dr. Nick Staub with the county says avian flu symptoms consist of body aches, fever, and red irritated eyes. There have now been 2 outbreaks of the virus in Maricopa County with no human infections. However, in Pinal County, 2 residents did test positive and have since recovered.
Those individuals who are getting sick do have that close contact with these animals, whether it's dairy cattle or sick birds. So the general risk to the population remains low.
Even with the low risk, Hayden says Wildlife World Zoo will still be on high alert, knowing it can happen again.
We are going to continue our close monitoring of these animals and do everything we can to ensure their safety moving forward.
Hayden tells me the zoo will remain open with all of these precautions in place to keep everyone safe. We're in Litchfield Park. Chase Golightly, 12 News.
All right, Chase, thanks. Tonight we have an